Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the OneSec app. So let's get started. Now first, you want to go to the Google Play Store and search for OneSec. Download it and install the app. Once it's installed, you want to open it to begin setup. Now, you'll need to grant a few permissions. You want to tap Select Apps, then Enable Accessibility Service for OneSec, and then tap Allow. After that, grant usage access permission so the app can detect when you open certain apps. You'll also be asked to disable battery optimization, so make sure you allow that so OneSec can run properly in the background. Once permissions are done, you can choose which app you want to control, and for example, select TikTok, then you want to tap Done. Now here's how it works. When you try to open TikTok, OneSec will interrupt you with a short pause and actually a short pause screen. It might guide you to take a deep breath before continuing. You'll also see how many times you've attempted to open the app in the last 24 hours. Then you can decide either close it or continue anyway. You can also tap customize inside OneSec to adjust the delay, breathing, exercise, or other settings to match your goals. And basically that's it. Every time you try to open a distracting app, OneSec adds a mindful pause, helping you break the habit and reduce screen time. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!